welcome back to Good Morning Sri Lanka. It's been a great morning, a very motivational morning. We spoke about public speaking in the first session, and now we have a group of youngsters, not youngsters really, but they are professionals and they are undergraduates who have got together and brought up a youth-led initiative which really helps undergraduates who are coming out of the university system here in Sri Lanka to increase their employability. And this is mostly done, they mentioned, through a mentor-mentee program which these guys are providing the platform for, and it's something that has really taken off since you started in Jan 2014.
Yep.
That's right. Upstream is the name of the initiative, and they are on Facebook right now. That's facebook.com/upstream.sri
Lanka.
Upstream.Sri Lanka. So that's how you can find out more details. But of course, now speaking about the feedback that you guys have got, now you started
Yes.
up about 6 months ago. What's the response been like so far?
Yes, there's a very good experience that I had when I was at our school big match.
Okay.
In March. There was this guy who came right after an interview, and actually it's at quite last stages of his interview, and what he said was it was a salary negotiation, and he said, Machang, there was this video on Facebook I found, and it was exactly supportive to the situation that I was in. Because the way that you speak, the things that you demand, the things that you should ask, it's not all about money. There are a lot of other things. So everything has been very well explained in that particular video. So this guy was saying this to me. Then I asked, okay, do you remember where did you see this? Then he said, I don't remember exactly what it is, but I remember some blue and green color logo over there. Then I said, okay, is it Upstream? Then he said, yes, something like that.
Oh.
So that is really a very satisfaction moment. You do something and you get a feedback like that.
And he never knew that you were even involved in this. So this is someone just randomly. So that's exactly how it spreads as well, right?
Yeah.
Word of mouth is very important, and for that to happen, it means that you guys are delivering a great product.
Yeah.
And it's something that I'm sure people wanted, and they just didn't have any other way of getting at. So is it just 3 of you doing this, or is there another team with you?
Well, actually, we are in the process of building up a volunteer network, and so far we are involved with about 4 state universities, and the response has been really good. People are very willing to join in and help others, and in the process they actually they themselves benefit from this, which is something I really want to stress. So we have about I would say
15 to 20, because they are from different universities,
That's
not
right.
just from University of Moratuwa. We have from Colombo, Kalaniya,
Javadhanapura.
So,
and in the grand scheme of things, what kind of impact do you think a scheme of this will have on the future for Sri Lankan undergraduates? Because you guys have set the benchmark now, right? So do you expect others to also start following this model and maybe helping our students?
Definitely.
Definitely.
We really want people to get involved in this, because it's a continuous process, as we mentioned before, and we really want to take it forward so that they can talk to their immediate juniors and they can get involved. So that's how any great thing starts.
Of course,
starts with a few people, but then word of mouth, and we just really want to stress that it's not just about helping others. At the end of the day, you really help yourself as well.
And I think I want to also ask you what kind of support you get from the state universities. Is there any partnership that you're doing with them, or you hope to do with them in the future?
Looking back, not looking back, I would say looking at the next year, how would the next year sound for us, and that trajectory actually goes through that. Because since we've all come from state universities, we next year or 1 year from now, we see ourselves in a position where our organization, our volunteer organization, will have a somewhat like a de facto board of directors, which will comprise of senior lecturers of state universities, because trust me, they know the situation. They also have very good contacts, very good liaisons with the industry, and they know what the industry tells them. And this board of directors will, I would call them an advisory panel. And this advisory panel, senior lecturers will be a part of that advisory panel, and that will also include others.
So we definitely need their support going forward.
Great future plans, isn't it? So it's just, what are the future plans for you guys? We have just 1 minute maybe, but I think we need to touch on what's in store for Upstream in the future.
Well, like I said, It's
the
yeah.
base
It should
stronger.
be getting the base stronger, building our network of mentors,
And the
getting more
network
more.
of mentees. We want to help more people.
Yeah,
and
So even if you are a mentor or a mentee.
Exactly.
Exactly. So it's not just if you're looking for help, if you want to give help
Yes,
to an
exactly.
undergraduate
Definitely,
as well.
that's something we really wanted to stress
Yes.
as well.
Okay.
So
And
if
we
you have
know
a
that
passion
there's
for
a-
mentoring, please
We know that there's a big
connect with
potential
us.
there.
Yes.
Like
Of
I
course.
said.
Exactly.
So if you're watching the show this morning and you really want to help an undergraduate out, someone that you can be proud of as well when you say that
Yes,
I
exactly.
helped this person come up in life, and that's a great feeling. So mentor or mentee, this is about reaching out and helping those around you, and this is what these guys are doing. Thank you so much, Rajesh.
Thank you so
Chaitanya,
much.
as well
Thank you
as
very much
Hamsika.
for having us.
Thank you for
Definitely,
having
it's a
us.
great pleasure. I mean, it's very inspiring for me also on a Monday morning to hear about ventures like this that people just like you and me can also do. And it's something that you guys have, it's your brainchild. You've started it up and you're carrying it out. It's something great, and it's something that you can be involved in as well. So to get more information, go to facebook.com/upstream.sri Lanka.
Exactly.
I got that right. I got like approval from Hamsika. Like, that's right. Because he was very worried that I would give out the wrong details.
It's quite long, that's why.
It's not very long. So upstream.sri Lanka.
Yes.
There we go.
And
So-
Hansika, you could also mention the email address if
Ah,
anyone
yes.
has a query
if
that
anyone
they-
has anything like it's upstream.srilanka again at gmail.com.
very simple.
Very simple. Remember one, you can remember the other.
Early morning on a Monday morning, I'm sure people can remember. The mind is fresh, right? Yes, hopefully. So do try to remember it. It's a great venture. So thank you once again, guys.
so
And we're
much.
going not going for a break. This is the end of the show, and we're going to leave you with some music this morning, something to really wake you up. So we're leaving you with Linkin Park. Have a great day, everyone. Take care. We'll see you tomorrow.